Reporting damage, it is soft rock shit. The TSP rock school, the overgrown super shit. The supermodels only can get enough of it. The overgrown super shit against the GTX, it is rugged GT. Lessons learned from Rocky 1 to Rocky 3. Lesson 1, the AMRs are in it to the hips. The overgrown super shit. The overgrown super shit. The overgrown super shit. Yeah, the overgrown super shit. Who spent the rock school in the rock pool? Miami Beach, chicks with dicks. Testing when it's adverts flexing. The overgrown super shit. Yeah, the overgrown super shit. The overgrown super shit. Yeah, the overgrown super shit. Lessons learned from Rocky 1 to Rocky 3. Sheepskin shoes attempt to run the industry. Lesson 2, cop the groove. Lesson 3 is to ignore 4. Round 5 going into 6. I understand guns in the A&R office. 7, the cooking with the meat butcher. 8, it's a real heavyweight. 9, we're rocking New York time. 10 times 10, it's like St. John said. The overgrown super shit. The overgrown super shit. Yeah, the overgrown super shit. The overgrown super shit.